Greetings. We have the following question we want to answer. So question yatorwa from a SIMSEC paper. To be particular, question yedu yatorwa from a June 2019 paper 2. So question yedu iri kuti the function y is equal to x squared minus 4x. Then we are given that table. Then part A, irikuda kuti tite fill in the table. Because iri kuti find the values of part 1 p, then part 2 irikuda q. So even though the person who asked this question in particular wanted part B of the question to be answered, but kuti tikwanise kuiansa zvakanaka, we have to basically answer the whole question without the benefit of others. So when we look at that table, and that table of values, the values are taken from the function. The function iri kuti y is equal to x squared minus 4x. Saka kana tichida kuwana p, tichida kuwana q. Let us start with p, part 1. P ari kupi? P ari panapa, ushu. Tinomuwana sei? Tinotanga tatarisa kuti p ari amongst ma values a x here, kana kuti ari amongst ma value a y. Then we notice kuti p are amongst my values are y. Then tadaro, we then notice the corresponding value of p, because p is a point, and every point in coordinate geometry in an x value and a y value. So if p is a y value, what is the corresponding x value? And as we can see panapa kuti ndiani the one uno. Saka, we are going to go to our function. We are going to substitute y with p, then x with the corresponding value. So kana takuitsvaga p tinongoti p replace y na p is equal to, then pana x takuisa 1, because p is a point and the corresponding value of p ndi 1. And out the x value of p be 1. Saka panapa it's 1 squared minus 4 multiplying on 1. So p is equal to 1 squared in the 1 minus 4 times 1 and the 4. Kureva kuti p is equal to minus 3. Like this. So we have calculated and we see that p is equal to minus 3. Then let us look at q. Q again is amongst my values are y, and the corresponding value of the point where we have q is actually 5. Kureva kuti here we are just going to say q is equal to then 5 squared minus 4 multiplying 5. What is 5 squared? That is 25 minus 4 times 5 is 20. Kureva kuti the value of q is going to be 5. So we have answered p in the minus 3 and q are equal to 5. Let us now go to part B. Part B is kuti answer part B and C of the question on a grid. Draw the graph of y is equal to x squared minus 4x on the grid using a scale of 2 centimeters to 1 unit on the x-axis and 2 centimeters to 2 units on the y-axis. Saka kuti tive able to answer this question, we need a grid. In other terms, we need a graph paper. So where are we going to find a graph paper? I have a graph paper randinaro panapa rachashandisa, and I've tried by all means to make sure that the graph paper is typical graph paper. So let us go to it. So this is our graph paper. What we have to do first is we have to put down our table of values. Saka table of values yedu tichangoitora as it is given in the question, but tichireplace p na q with the values atawana when we did part A of the question. So xy like this. Saka you can do this with a ruler, but since it's just a table of values, it's really unnecessary. Our first point, minus 212. Our next point, minus 15. Our next point, 0, 0. Our next point, the 1 na p, of which p ta calculate at kono ndi minus 3. Saka make sure the calculation yako ya p na q is accurate, otherwise you unokanganisa even the graph. Then panapa the next point 2 minus 4. The next point 3 minus 3. The next point 4 0. The next point 5 na q, of which q tamcalculator kaita chigara zviya, q tamcalculator kaita 5, so it's 5 5. Then the last point 6 na 12. So this table is very important, it's very vital. Okay, the next thing is we have to have an understanding of the scale we are going to use. Tikaverenga question b part 1 iri kuti draw the graph of y is equal to x squared minus 4x on the grid using a scale of 2 centimeters to 1 unit on the x-axis and 2 centimeters to 2 units on the y-axis. Saka we are given a particular scale and we're going to discuss it in a moment. So this is a typical engineering graph paper. And what it means is graph paper iri made up of different squares. You can see it to my box to note and it to my square auto. Each square is made up of 100 little squares. Saka it's a 10 by 10 grid. As kana tichitarisa a particular scale. Then each square is made up of 2 by 2. It's a 2 by 2, 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter square. Kureva kuti kubva papoint kunobata apa nekubva apa unobata apa, it's 2 centimeters. Saka 2 centimeters is very important because it's actually what we are given as our scale. Ma specifications scale yedu ari kutaura pamusoro pe 2 centimeters to 1 unit ne 2 centimeters to 2 units. The important thing here now is before we put down a xy plane, before we put down an xy plane, kind of Cartesian plane, we have to look at x and look at y. The questions we want to answer, we have to ask ourselves certain questions and we should provide answers to those questions. The questions we want to answer, they are: what is the smallest value of x? What also is the largest value of x? Saka x, fortunately, are given in a particular order. It's actually an ascending order from the lowest to the largest. And that is what happens for x in almost every time. X are given in order. Saka the smallest value ya x in the minus 2, the largest in the 6. Kureva kuti patinenge tichita put down our xy plane, we have to take particular note of that. Then tichiri papo, we look also at y. Tochaga kuti what is the smallest value of y? The smallest value of y in the minus 4. And y has arranged in any particular order. Saka minus 4 ndiye mudiki wa y. What is the largest, cannot biggest value of y? It's actually 12. Saka tichabva for x tichabva kuna minus 2 tichaenda kuna 6. But for y tichabva kuna minus 4 tichienda kuna 12. But looking at the specificities, kana kuti the specifics of our question, taudzwa isusu kuti we have to use a scale of 2 centimeters to 1 unit on the x-axis. Kureva kuti 2 centimeters represent 1 unit on the x-axis. Tinouya pagraph paper pedu panapa, kutsvaga panhu pari ecentral, then we put a line panapa. Saka the x-axis, as we know, ndiyo the horizontal line, the horizontal plane, like this. So this is what? X. Taudzwa isusu kuti 2 centimeters should represent 1 unit. So if 2 centimeters is representing 1 unit, sekutsanangura kwandaita earlier, kuti this particular graph paper really designed in a way yekuti each square is 2 by 2, 2 by 2, 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter square. Kureva kuti kubva kokupedzisira kusvika pari kuperera kasquare i2 centimeters panapa. Then the same is here. Saka panapa ndo panenge paine mapoints edu pano. Of course you'll be doing this with a ruler, indeed. Then paripo pane mapoints edu zvanzi 2 centimeters should represent 1 unit. Saka na 2 centimeters ichirepresenta 1 unit, zvoreva kuti tikubva kuna -2 tichienda kuna 6. We need how many? How many do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Panapa tine mangani mapoints? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Saka this kunoko kupesera should be the 8th. Saka unfortunately our graph paper raita diki shoma, but it's not something to worry about a lot. Saka kumucheto kuno kutengeta kuti -2. Then here we have -1. Panapa ndo pada kusa 0. Takuti 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then ichi kupesera kunoku 6, like this. So tinge tatopedza apo. Tikaenda pa second part yequestion pari kuti ipo, when it comes to the y axis, to the y scale, zviri kunzi 2 centimeters should represent 2 units. Reading the question directly, zviri kunzi and 2 centimeters to 2 units on the y axis. Saka pa y axis pa 2 centimeters handiri panofanira kunge paine how many units? Panofanira kunge paine 2 units. To mean taona isusu kuti we are starting from -4 tichienda kuna 12. Saka of course our y axis line should be here, like this. Panofanira kunge iri pana 0 pana. And please, this should be done with a ruler, but I cannot do it. Ndichidzidzisa draw electronically kudai so. So I will try to make my straight lines, but please use a ruler. Saka kana chitangira pana -4, it will be -4, then -2, because by 2 centimeters pane 2 units. So it's -4, -2, then 0. Saka we have this point and this point. -4, -2, then 0. Adhering to the scale, panapa 2 centimeter mark, panenge paine 2 units kana kuri y axis. Saka this will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then kunoko kupesera ichi 12. Saka ndo roughly ndo zvinge zvakaita the xy plane, ndo zvinge zvakaita x axis ne y axis. Alright, tiri ipapa, let us now plot our points. Saka taudzwa kuti our first point is chi -2, 12. Saka x inge iri -2, y iri 12. So x -2 panapa, then y iri 12 pamucheto cheto panapa. Saka point yedu inenge iri ino ishi. ndoimakani kakaita cross kudai. Our next point minus 1 5, x ndi minus 1 asi y anenge ari 5, saka 5 tinomuwana papi pakati pa4 na6 exactly pakati, saka 1 2 3 4 5 taverenga 5 because we know kuti pane tumasquare tudiki 10, saka pakati panenge pari pasquare ch5 like that. Then we are told kuti 0 0, saka when x is 0 y is also 0 like this. We are told kuti when x is 1 y ndi minus 3, x kana ari 1 y anenge ari minus 3. Minus 3 tinomuwana papi? Tinomuwana pakati panapa, from minus 4 to minus 2 ndopana minus 3. So we are counting 1 2 3 4 5 which is panapa toisaka star kedu. Then we are told kuti when x is 2 y ndi minus 4, x ndi 2 y anenge ari chi minus 4, saka it's here like that. We are told kuti when x is 3 y ndi minus 3, kana x ari 3 y ndi minus 3, remember minus 3 tamboiita inenge richi like that. We are told kuti when x is 4 y ndi 0, x kana ari 4 y ndi 0, saka ndi pana like this. We are told that when x is 5 y ndi 5, x kana ari 5 y ndi 5, remember 5 tamboiita, saka inenge iri panapa, it's 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, panapa like this. Then lastly we are told that when x is 6 y ndi 12, so it's 6 and what, and 12, of which, so that it's this point panapa. And it saka tamaka mapoints edu ese, what do we have to do? We now have to join the points with a smooth curve. Saka sezvangoitika pakundatadza kudrowa neruler, curve rangu rigona kubuda siri that smooth, because remember I'm doing this electronically. But uri kujoina mapoints aya without using a ruler, so try to make them as smooth as possible, one a smooth curve, but make sure you join every point, every single point, and don't use a ruler to join them, use your free hand. Yes, yeah, I think my curve is relatively smooth. I think I'm doing quite well. Kupinda ni panapa, then yeah, chinobata apo, then tomanya ku last point like this. So this is the quadratic curve that Tanziti draw. It's like this. All right, I think we are together there. Changoitika ndezvekuti tamaka mapoints as maconnector. That is all that we did. All right, then chicha kuitika hapo. Saka we have 4 marks from doing that. Kaenda pa B part 2 parikunzi on the same grid, draw the graph of y is equal to 3 minus x. Saka zvanzi on the same grid, draw the graph of y is equal to 3 minus x. So chekutanga chatifanirwa kuziva, y is equal to 3 minus x is the graph of a straight line. Why tati is the graph of a straight line? In a way kuti it is of highest order 1. What does it mean? It just means kuti x andiri haas to the power 2. X akava to the power 2 inobva yatonzi quadratic graph, inoproduce a quadratic graph kana kuti quadratic curve. X akava to the power 3 yatova a cubic curve, and x akava to the power 4 iri kuramba ichidi ichiincrease. Saka if you remember the form y is equal to mx plus c, which is the general equation of a straight line. Saka y is equal to 3 minus x is a straight line. Ndochekutanga ichocho. Saka kana taziva izvozvo manje kuti tidraw graph racho hatifanirwi kutinetsa, but what we should know panapa is we need a table. We cannot run away from that. But if we want to draw a straight line, we simply need 2 points, even though togona kungomawedzeredwa zvishoma. But we just need 2 points for a straight line. So xy, like this. My points are told and happy. We need a point where x is equal to 0, and we need a point where y is equal to 0. Toda draw a graph run, y is equal to 3 minus x. Na x are 0, so that y inge equal to 3 minus 0, saka y inge equal to 3. So panapa tonyora 3. Then kana y are 0, zvoreva kuti 0 iri equal to 3 minus x. Minus x ikajamba yoko sign uchiuya uku, saka x inge equal to 3. Saka panapa panenge paina 3. 2 points is enough, but you can unogona kungowedzerawo. Maybe make them 3 for the sake of convenience. So ngatiti we need a point where let us say where x is 1. Saka teta kunyora takadai so 3 0. Ngati say point where x is 1 just for the sake of convenience. Saka na x are 1 zvoreva kuti y inge equal to 3 minus 1, saka y inge equal to chi? To 2. Saka 2 so taisa 3 points for the sake of convenience, but truth be told, 1 point is enough. Not 1 point, sorry, 2 points are enough kana uchida draw a straight line. So ndozvataita. Chekutanga taona kuti it's a straight line ratofanirwa kudraw, then taisa a table of values. We cannot draw a graph without a table of values. Anotomakwa matable yawa. Okay, saka drawing this graph manje. Kwanzi, when x is 0, x kana ari 0, y ndi 3. Saka 2 panapa. Ira ari pakati 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Saka when x is 0, y ndi 3. Like this. Okay. So zvanzi kana x ari 1, y anenge ari 2. X are 1, y anenge ari 2. Saka panapa. Like this. Then lastly, kana x are 3, y anenge ari chi? Y anenge ari 0. Saka this point. Then manje kana takuda kudraw panapa, please use a ruler apa strictly because it's a straight line. We need a ruler. Saka unobata ruler yako in such a way yekuti inoconnecta mapoints aya ari 3. So inini hangu hazvisi kuzonyatso kubuda pamusana pekuti ndiri kudraw online. Vakambozama kudraw neMicrosoft Word vanogona kundipupurira kuti kudraw online is not kids game. So like this. I'm really sorry anonyatsobuda. Yeah. But we kana uine ruler yako manje. Hazvifangu kukunetsa izvi. Then chimwe chatanga tasirira panapa ndechekuti kana wapedza kudraw graph rako, unongotsvaga paunonyora graph racho. Saka iri ranga riri chi? Y is equal to x squared minus 4x. X squared minus 4x wonyora zita regraph rako. Then ku straight line kunoku draw chi? Y is equal to 3 minus x. Like this. And kana tadai so zvenge zvatoita. Okay. Ngatitei part C. Part C iri kuti use the graph to solve the equation x squared minus 4x is equal to 3 minus x. What we should do is, firstly, we should understand what it means kuti we have equations which are simultaneous to each other. Simultaneous equations. Zvinorevei kana tichitaura pamusoro pema-simultaneous equations? Understanding yatifanirwa kuita ndeyekuti kana ma-equations are simultaneous to each other, anenge achisangana at some point. Saka the answer to that equation, x squared minus 4x is equal to 3 minus x. Chekutanga, we have to appreciate kuti x squared minus 4x ndiyo the curve, because curve redu y is equal to x minus 4x, x squared minus 4x. Then also 3 minus x is the straight line, because for our straight line, y is equal to 3 minus x. Tadaro, then we take note of the points panap, where the two curves, cannot the two graphs meet each other. We have this point and that point. We have to find the coordinates of these points. Saka ino iri quite easy. Panapa we have -1. Then panapa tikaverenga, we are going to find out kuti ndi 5. It's exactly pakati pa 4 na 6. Then tikauya panapa tikada kuziva kuti what is going to be this point apapo. Saka since it's 3, then panapa 4, zvoreva kuti tinge iri 3.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. Saka in terms of x is 3.8. Then in terms of y, pataverenga kunoku taverenga chiti 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, tikaona kuti panapa should be 3.8. Inhau yekuti kaspe kadiki kega kega kari kurepresenta 0.1. But hazvikwanisi kuva kuitika kunoku, pamusana pekuti kasque kadiki kega kega kari kufanira kurepresenta 0.2. Saka 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 0.10 panapa ndo panenge painani -1. You see, then 1.2, 1.4, 1.6, 1.8, then -2. You understand? Saka panapa tikaverenga chaona kuti tumasquare tungani, actually tumasquare 4 kusvika papoint yedu. Saka panapa tichiti -0.2, -0.4, -0.6, -0.8, then -1. Saka panapa inenge iri -0. Tungani karazve -0.2, -0.4, -0.6, -0.8, like this. So when you do it on your graph paper with straight lines, it's going to come out pretty easy. Saka ndo mapoints edu atiinawo. Remember, mapoints pasangana magraphs edu. Tadaro hazvichafanirwa kutinetsa. We should just know kuti x is equal to, tinotora value ya x kunoku -1 or nevalue ya x kunoku, actually 3.8. This is going to be our answer. Saka panzi, solve the equation using the graph, and zvatinongoita kungotsvaga pari kusangana macurves edu, pari kusangana magraphs edu, topanota. Tapanota tanyora mapoints acho in the form xy, then x will be equal to -1 or 3.8. I think it's fairly done. The last part, C part 2, you're going to find the equation of the line of symmetry of the curve y is equal to x squared minus 4x. Saka equation for the line of symmetry, ainetse line of symmetry a line rekuti our curve reflects upon it. Saka kana riri curve, line of symmetry a line rinopfuura nepachi the lowest point kana kuti the highest. Kana ngoti ngatingoti a line rinopfuura nepa the turning point of a curve. Curve parinonotena, line racho iri rinopfuura nepanapa richienda ukwi, ndo line rokubvunzwa panapa, like this. Irori iri ndo line racho. Then sorry ndapinda nemuno, but ndoda kuzama kuisa line racho. Mapaona. Saka kana vakuti ivo find the equation of the line of symmetry of the curve, equation yacho haifaniri kunetsa. Equation yacho inenge imbori chii? Zvatinongoita ndezvekuti this line, for this line x is equal to 2, the equation yacho is equal to 2, ndo equation yacho, because a straight line rikupfuura nepanani, rikupfuura nepana 2. That's it. Dei ranga riri line rikupfuura nepana y, yangova y is equal to something. Saka x is equal to 2 will be the answer. So we have done what is expected of us in this question. I've tried to answer it to the best of my ability, but if my efforts did not produce the required result, which is kunzwisisa kwenyu imimi, please ask in the comments section kana kuti get to me on this number +263 710469150. It's WhatsApp. Kana kuti +27761737116. This is also the same number yamnotwana if you are in need of extra lessons, tutoring, exam coaching, and anything. Otherwise, thank you for your attendance and take care.